How to enable or disable clip adjustment in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page where your timeline is located. Next, to enable clip adjustment, open the effects library by clicking on the effects button at the top left of the interface. Inside the library, look for the adjustment clip under the effects category. Drag this adjustment clip onto your timeline, placing it above the clips you want to affect. Now, any effect, color grade, or transformation you apply to the adjustment clip will automatically apply to all clips underneath it. To disable the clip adjustment, simply click to select the adjustment clip and press D on your keyboard. This will disable the clip without deleting it, so the effect won't apply until it's re-enabled. If you want to turn it back on later, just select the adjustment clip again and press the same shortcut D to re-enable it. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable clip adjustment in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.